got a team from New Jersey. A team from New York. And let's not forget all the way down in South Carolina. We also got the big Canadian teams down here, teams that you'll recognize, 2 world champion teams here, as well as a Hall of Fame team. So it'll be exciting to see them out in the field. We saw a lot of robots here out yesterday, practicing on the field, a lot of teams working in the pits. It's going to be a super exciting day. But before we get to any of that action, let's take a look at a message from founders Dean Kamen and Woody Flowers, along with President Don Rosen. Let's take a look.
Welcome to this year's first robotics competition, Recycle Rush.
6 weeks, just 6 intense weeks, from problem to stop. That you're still speaking to one another is testimony to your gracious professionalism. Congratulations.
And it's not just about building a robot. You had to learn new skills in design, programming, fabrication, and troubleshooting, just to name a few. We're sure many of you have recycled some material and put it to good and new use on your robot. As a wise person once said, waste not, want not.
The robot was not built by an individual. Creating it was a team effort. Mentors, sponsors, volunteers, parents, and students. FRC teams have created almost 3,000 unique solutions to this year's problem.
And now you're here to compete. You've accomplished your goal. Your hard fun is about to get harder and even more exciting.
Today you get to add another layer to the stuff that you've learned. Some of you will get what you hoped for, some not. All of you have a chance to use the experience to learn about character and toughness.
You're going to face many tougher challenges than just building a robot in 6 weeks. Already you've experienced some successes and some failures. Learn from these failures. They are often more valuable than the successes.
On the trip home after this event, we hope you look back and feel very good about what you did. We hope you'll be able to smile and remember how you kicked your gracious professionalism up another notch. You do that, and you will have used FIRST very well.
FIRST is more than robots. It's more than a game played on a field. FIRST is preparing you for some of life's greatest challenges. But for now, let's celebrate, have some fun, and enjoy. Recycle Rush.
I got a treat for you folks. We have a very special guest here today. So special, we have someone else introducing her. I'd now like to welcome an even special person, the Dean of Engineering at the University of Waterloo, Pearl Sullivan.
Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? Welcome to the University of Waterloo. It is my pleasure to welcome all of you to the first Robotics Waterloo Regional Competition. It's going to be absolutely thrilling and action-packed the next 2 days, and I hear the weather is going to be perfect, right? As Praveen just mentioned, this is the 11th year we've hosted this fantastic competition. We're extremely proud of the close ties we have had with FIRST Robotics. It is an incredible organization that has inspired and still inspires true appreciation of science and technology in young people. By combining the excitement of sport with the rigors of science and technology, FIRST Robotics brings you, our participants, as close to real-world engineering as possible. And I know you've been hard at work, designing and building your robots over the past 6 weeks. Congratulations for putting your creative minds and ideas to work and collaborating as a team. The invaluable skills you've learned in the past month and a half will last a lifetime. So to all the teachers and others who have given support and guidance along the way, thank you. It would have not been possible without parents, mentors, teachers, and all the support system. The event today cannot be possible without people who support you. To the 30 teams participating today and tomorrow, best of luck to all of you, and may the best robot win. It is my great pleasure today to introduce our special guest, the Honorable Liz Sandals, who is the Minister of Education for the Province of Ontario, the MPP for Guelph, and a proud graduate of the University of Waterloo.
Thank you so much, Pearl, and good morning, everyone. It's great to see so many people here, and from all over, too. So this is going to be a very exciting day for all of you. And I'd really like to thank First Robotics Canada and the University of Waterloo for inviting me to be a part of it. But really, it isn't about me, it's about all of you, so congratulations. Just getting here is a real accomplishment because it means you've been working so hard. And I was delighted to learn that more students than ever before, including more girls, let's hear it for the girls, are involved in the First Robotics program across our province. And better news still, more and more Ontario teams are winning at the World Championships. You are a very impressive group. And I'm also fascinated by the challenge that First Robotics has put before all of you here today. I'm told that every team has only 6 weeks to design, build, and test your robots. Very impressive. And I don't have to tell you how technology is changing our world. From the living room to the classroom, we're all adapting to this new use of technology. That's why events like First Robotics competition are so important for you, our students. Thinking about all the skills that you're learning just to be part of this competition. You have to work as a team, figure out each other's strengths and capabilities, learn to negotiate, and think on your feet, especially when you get down here. And of course, you're learning how to apply your knowledge about science, technology, engineering, math, and computer. You're also discovering that for a team to be successful, it needs different people with different talents, ranging from design to fundraising to marketing. And those are important life skills because what we're actually talking about is collaboration, creativity, problem solving, communication, and entrepreneurship. These are all essential tools that our graduates will need to succeed in tomorrow's workplace. And I was just telling folks down here, once upon a time, so I should share with you that my background is actually math and computing science, and long, long ago, I used to teach computer science at the University of Guelph. And I always told my students that communication skills with people are really, really important because you're designing robots, you're designing software, you're designing whatever it is you want to do to serve a use of people. You need to be able to talk with people that are going to use whatever you design. So all of these other skills are really, really important along with the STEM skills which you're applying and using. So it all goes together to make the whole package. You've got an amazing opportunity here through First Robotics to learn inside and outside the classroom. And of course, you're getting the experience down here of the thrill of competition. Everything you've been doing as part of First Robotics is no doubt going to be useful to you as you think about a future career. Maybe a career in science or math or computing or technology or engineering. Possibilities are endless. But hopefully what you've gotten, aside from the fun and the experience, is an opportunity to see the connections between a lot of different subjects and a lot of different skills, because you need to bring it all together to be the winners here today. So I just want to say thank you to all the people who have helped you along the way. Thank you to First Robotics, who've had for a number of years, have inspired so many young people to pursue further studies in science, technology, and engineering. Thank you to the University of Waterloo for its long-standing support of this program and providing such a wonderful venue for the competition. Thank the parents, thank the mentors who've made it possible for you to participate, and a special thank you to your teachers, because your teachers have invested a huge amount of time in helping you create. So let's, everybody, congratulations to the event organizers and all the volunteers who set up this wonderful stage here, this wonderful venue. Thank you to the judges. I have never, ever seen so many judges for one event in my life. And I think this must mean it's really cool to be a judge, right? Each and every one of you is here today, and we're very, very proud with the Ontario government of what you're all doing here today with First Robotics, and we're very proud to support First Robotics at the Ministry of Education. Just remember, as you get started on your competition, what FIRST stands for. FIRST stands for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. So, to everybody who's going to compete, good luck today, good luck if you go on to the next level, and good luck with your future careers, because the fact you're here today means you're all amazing. Have a great day.
Executive Director of First Canada, Mark Redner, to present a plaque to Mr. Sandos to express our gratitude for continued support of the program. All right, folks, now we'd like to introduce another group of people here, very important group, the people in the blue shirts. These people will be scrutinizing your robots, checking out certain details, and handing out awards further throughout this competition. To do that, I'd like to welcome up Manager of Implementation Consulting at KMI, your judge advisor, Zoe Calais.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the competition. Minister Sandos, it's a great deal of fun to judge. We couldn't keep these people away. And if you ever want to join us, you're welcome to. Anyway, as I said, it is a great deal of fun to judge. We really, really look forward every year to hearing your stories. So you'll find that these judges in the blue shirts will be coming to find you in the pits to talk to you and hear all the wonderful things that you've done, not only during the build season, but during the entire year. We recognize that it's a great deal of work to even get here, and congratulate you for being here. Most of all, we hope that you have fun this weekend. Okay, so I have just a small administrative thing to say, which is that usually we give the Rookie Inspiration Award at this evening's awards ceremony. We only have 2 rookie teams here this weekend, and because of that, we're going to give out both rookie awards on Saturday. All right. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce our judging panel. great deal of judges, and they're very diverse. So I'll ask each judge to stand up and wave as I say your name. Our first judge is Rodney Adakonadu, and he is a specialist senior consultant at KPMG. Lauren Vivek is a senior researcher with Invista Canada. Safwan Chowdhury is an R&D engineer with Monzer. David Wilson, a senior software architect with Sandvine. Nicole Fernandez, Central Mapping Manager, Union Gas. Peter Fitzgerald, General Manager, Fanuc Canada. Millie Ganikar, Director, Fighter Programs, Honeywell Aerospace. Paul Goosens, VP Engineering Solutions, MapleSoft. Rob Corbett, Associate Professor and Chair, Department of Knowledge Innovations at the University of Waterloo. Director of Corporate Communications, Cenex Corporation. Piotr Josebowski, Product Development Manager at MDA. Jonathan Judd, Design Release Engineer at TIRCON. Karen Coakley, Professor, Energy Systems Engineering Technology at Conestoga College. Georg Kralik, Senior Design Engineer Civil, retired at Ontario Power Generation Nuclear. Gilbert Lai, System Controls and Software Engineer at Wanzer. Mary Lynn Lister Santavi, Community Investor Coordinator at Union Gas. Peter Lowe's, Senior Vice President, Bakery Division, retired from Parmalat Dairy and Bakery Division. Pete Martin, Engineering Curriculum Manager at Wanzer. Chris Rennick, Tutor, First Year Engineering at the University of Waterloo. Lauren O'Donnell, Control System Manager, Honeywell Aerospace Canada. Amadeo Rubino, Application Specialist, Motion Control at Rockwell Automation. John Shaw, Nuclear System Lecturer at the University of Ontario Institute of Technology. Dan Silvestru, CEO and co-founder, BitHound. Gordon Stuffy, Engineering Associate Dean, Teaching at University of Waterloo. Taylor, Product Manager for PTC, and last but not least, Kwong Go, Area Manager, General Dynamics Then Systems. Thank you, good luck everybody.
Thank you, our judge advisor Zoe. I would now like to introduce our next group. This group is here to ensure fair play and make sure that teams can compete at their best while staying within the rules. The referees. Please welcome, starting with our head referee here, Pat Martinson. Great music choice. Not intimidating at all. They are nice people, I promise you. Another important group at first, recognizing that safety is number one. Keeping us safe, I would like to introduce Lead Safety Advisor Elsa Slapov and the Police Power Safety Advisors. Congratulations to the team 133 Birds from Standish, Maine for their award-winning safety animation. Let's take a look.
Are you tired of being in danger while trying to be a supervillain? Great! You can change that by going to safety school. First lesson, always wear your safety glasses when working on hazardous areas or even laboratory, on the field or in the pits. Second lesson, when working on robots in the pits, use safety gloves. Third lesson in safety school, know what's happening around you, being aware to prevent potential accidents. Final lesson, in the case of an accident, always keep a first aid kit nearby at all times. Now, go out there and rule the world with your newfound knowledge.
there's a big reason why we have the opportunity to meet and hear speeches from so many important people in our community. There's a reason we have this event right here at the University of Waterloo. It's because these very universities, these companies, these colleges, they all want you in their organizations, going to school here, and there are so many scholarships out there catered for first students. The next video is a video with alumni who have taken advantage of these scholarships. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Jane.
And I'm Patrick.
We're both fortunate to have been awarded 2014 Bart Kamen Memorial First Scholarships. Behind us is Championship Scholarship Row, and it's packed with representatives from schools all across the world.
College is coming.
He's right. College is coming. And luckily for you, all the experiences that you gained with First mean a lot to colleges and universities. There are hundreds of schools offering millions of dollars in scholarships to First participants as part of the First Scholarship Program. The First experience is so intense. It seems like it's all about being in the moment. Your teammates, sponsors, and alliance partners are all counting on you. But don't forget to put some of that focus on yourself and your future.
As a junior, I was elected Director of Community Outreach for First Robotics Competition Team 178, the second law enforcers. It was great exposure to groups outside my robotics team and a whole lot of work. I filled other roles in my team as well, and sharing those experiences has helped me earn my first scholarship, which I'm using to attend an Ivy League school.
I was on FRC Team 75, the Roborators, for 4 years. In my senior year, I was a team president, and I spent a lot of time working with my teammates and in the community, doing whatever it took to keep us on track. I'm glad I was able to use what I learned to earn my first scholarship, which has made it possible for me to pursue my career in medicine.
It's easy to get started. Just go to the First Scholarships page at usfirst.org/scholarships. There are lots of resources there, including descriptions and applications for all of the current First Scholarship opportunities. New scholarships are being added all the time, but don't wait until the last minute to apply.
That's right. All First Scholarship deadlines are set by the institutions that offer them. Most of them fall between December and May.
So don't forget, right now, if you're in your senior year, go to usfirst.org/scholarships and apply for any of the scholarships that you're interested in.
Many First events may have scholarship rows set up, where you can talk face-to-face with many of the providers, just like we're doing here at Championship. This is especially important for all of you freshmen, sophomores, and juniors on teams. Start preparing now.
So don't forget to apply. And visit us at usfirst.org/scholarships. And we'll see you on campus.
There are a lot of universities on that list, and a lot of those scholarships do go unclaimed, so do take advantage of that. How many mentors and coaches are in the building? Let's hear from you. I feel like there are more. Give me a clap. Well, a lot of these mentors and coaches, in fact, actually also mentor other First programs like FLL and Junior FLL. If these mentors are interested in starting up new programs, there is an FLL table in the pits. Take a look at it. There are other programs that are catered to whatever you would like to do. Just head to usfirst.org and you can find out more information. Now, we are close to getting this competition started, but before that, I would like everyone to rise for the singings of the national anthems, starting with the U.S. national anthem, sung by Ellen Drennan and Marcus Espinosa from Team 1673.
keep alive. Keep us glorious and free. We are free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Alright, teams, we're about to get underway. Please empower your robots.